Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Toyota Sienna, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your air filter in this car. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the hood. It's actually very simple procedure. Everyone can do this. Just pull the latch. Find the latch, pull it up, take a stand, secure it. Okay, so our air filter is right here. Okay, how do we remove it? It's extremely simple in this car. So just pull these two pins, 1, 2, and then slide a little bit towards you and get the filter out, filter housing. Okay, oops, and the filter fell out. So just get the housing out, put it somewhere, and here's your filter. As you can see, this car filter is actually not bad. You can just if it looks like this, you can just get some debris out and reuse it. If your filter is old and it's black and dusty, then you should replace it. You can buy replacement filter on eBay, Amazon. Almost all parts stores should have them, and or dealer. So once you have the replacement filter, you just throw this one out, get the new filter, and replace them. They're very cheap. They should go around around $20. Okay, so let's put it back in. Yeah, so just slide it in like this. Okay, move it a little bit to the front and close it with the pins, and that's it. That's the whole procedure. Okay guys, as you can see, it's extremely simple. So if this helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.